Be short in seconds, say what matters. Indian equity markets opened sharply lower on Monday as renewed global trade war concerns rattled investor sentiment. The sell-off was triggered by US President Donald Trump's threat to impose additional tariffs on 8 European countries over issues linked to Greenland, reviving fears of escalating protectionism and global economic disruption. At the opening bell, the BSE Sensex plunged as much as 672 points to hit an intraday low of 82,898.31. The NSE Nifty 50 also witnessed heavy selling pressure, slipping over 200 points to touch 25,494.35. Broader markets mirrored the weakness, with mid-cap and small-cap indices also trading in the red. Banking stocks bore the brunt of the sell-off, dragging the Bank Nifty below the crucial 60,000 mark. Heavy selling was seen in private sector lenders as investors turned cautious amid rising global uncertainty and risk-off sentiment. Shares of major banks and financial institutions declined sharply, contributing significantly to the benchmark indices' losses. Market participants remained on edge as renewed tariff threats raised concerns about global trade flows, inflationary pressures, and potential slowdowns in economic growth. Analysts noted that any escalation in trade tensions between the US and Europe could have ripple effects across emerging markets, including India, through foreign capital outflows and currency volatility. Meanwhile, global cues remained weak, with Asian markets trading lower and US stock futures indicating a cautious start. Investors shifted funds towards safe haven assets such as gold and government bonds, reflecting heightened risk aversion. Experts advised investors to remain cautious in the near term, highlighting that markets may continue to witness volatility until there is greater clarity on global trade policies and macroeconomic developments. In the short run, stock-specific action and global news flow are expected to guide market direction. Think business, think Be Short. Tap to subscribe.